My time with you is short.
Okay, you guys, look at here. It's my freezer. You can see it's obviously froze up. What was happening was I noticed that the refrigerator down below, that part down there, the refrigerator, it didn't seem to be getting very cold down there, so something was wrong, obviously. So I decided to look inside the freezer and see what's going on here. And that shouldn't be that froze up, because this is what they call a self-defrosting freezer, okay? So I have to let this all thaw out. I chipped away at it. There was a lot of it that was all froze up before I got the panel. There was a panel on here, big panel here. I took that off, unplugged these wires here, and I'm going to get to the bottom of it and see what the problem is here. And if I get this all thawed out, hopefully that all will drain down into, there's some tubes that go down in the back of the refrigerator out into a tray. So there's no water in there yet because it's all froze up. So stay tuned. I'm going to see if I can figure out why this is freezing up, and we'll keep you posted, alright? I had to put all my food down in the bottom here of the refrigerator in hopes that it doesn't spoil. Until I get the freezer defrosted, I'm going to show you that now. What I did is I put a heat lamp in there, because I want this defrosted as quickly as possible. You can see back there how frozen up that is. So this heat lamp is going to take care of it. I don't know how long it's going to take, but hopefully it won't take real long. But this has to all be defrosted before I can find out what's going on. Get some drainage going down. There you have that. Okay, you can see that the heat lamp has melted a lot of that off. I still have a little bit to go here, but compared to what it was, I'm sure you can tell this is quite a difference. Yes. And hopefully, when everything is said and done, it'll work good again. And things will drain the way they should. Little fan up there. And we still got a little ice clinging over here, but that's all going to melt off shortly. Some down there. And we got to get things working again here, because I don't like problems like this. I got everything put back together there. You can hear the freezer running. This is a used one. When I bought it, refrigerator freezer. So we're gonna do some testing here. See if this thing starts to get cold. It says you're supposed to wait 24 hours, but I'm not, because I got all this food down below. And I really hate to see it go to waste. Well, everything's back together. Seems to be running okay. Give you a shot of this here. Got all the food put back up in the freezer area. I have to just keep an eye on it now. See how long it runs for without screwing up.
There truly is a plan and a purpose for everything that is occurring.